we need to test the water.
Okay, so we're working on our recommendations. Are these the type of recommendations that you were looking for?
You know what? They're your recommendations. It's your experiment. You're the scientist. So whatever you think Mr. Thompson needs to know. So what are your recommendations right now?
We said first of all, there should be a safe disposal area for chemicals.
Okay.
Yeah, and then he said that for now the townspeople should avoid the water and should think about educating the community about the dangers of pollution and coming up with a water treatment plan.
Okay, test the water. So those are great recommendations, but let's go back to our original handout. Okay, so what's our scenario here? The chemicals the truck carrying the chemicals crashed right into the spill. So is that necessarily something the community could see coming?
No.
Probably not. So now that the chemicals are in the groundwater and knowing what we know about how the pollutants spread, how are we going to put that together?
Maybe we should wait until the chemicals seep further down.
Okay, that's an idea.
Or at least test the water before we drink it.
There we go. Treat the water.
Okay, I have a question. So if the chemicals percolate and they get down to the water table, would it be safe to treat the groundwater that is further up?
Well, here's the thing.
You can monitor where we derive it.
So you guys noticed that even on your soggy piece of wood, that even though you started putting more and more water through, it's still really dark there, right? There's still a lot of pollutants.
Oh, so you clean the top.
You did.
How do you clean?
We're going to have to clean the top though.
But how do you do that?
Well, it depends on the kind of chemical, and that's something that's a little bit more complex. So maybe that's a recommendation for Mr. Thompson, right? You just came up with
hire
one.
new scientists that can deal with certain.
Exactly. So maybe we need to see what type of chemical it is, and then we need to clean it up. All right, you guys. Everybody put your hands up if you guys are done with your questions. Nope. Are you guys close?
Yeah, we're finishing up right now.
Finishing up? All right. Give you about 5 more seconds to wrap things up.
5 seconds, guys.
You guys are done with your talk.
Ready what you're ready.
Okay. So, alright, let's focus back up here. Let's get back to our seats. Guys in the back. Maddie, Shauna. Shiny. Alright, here we go. Eyes up here. Thumbs up. Sweet. Okay, so you guys like that? Yeah? Good? Okay, so I have a question for you that wasn't part of your follow-up questions. Curveball. Did you guys notice that the place where the pollutant originated, did it change?
No.
Where you guys put the pollutant, did it still stay there?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what do you think that says about it? What do you think that says about pollution? It's hard to get rid of. It does move, but you're okay. No, it's okay. You're onto something, because here's this idea that we want to grasp, is that as pollution seeps into the groundwater, it sticks around for a really long time, okay? In places where a chemical may spill, it's going to be in that place for a really long time. Okay, so let's turn to some of these follow-up questions really quick. We just got a few minutes here. Alright, so what did you guys notice about the way that the water, or that the pollutant spread? Did it spread straight down?
Yes.
Jeff?
Down and out.
Down and out. Okay, anything else? What about the water?
It was more concentrated at the spot where the pollutant was added, and then as it moved down, it seemed like the concentration was less.
Good. Okay, so that's another thing that we want to know. That essentially what happens is it spreads out, okay? The pollutants, they may not be as concentrated within the groundwater farther long time for us to clean it up, and it's a lot of times really, really expensive. On another note, kind of back to our learning objective for the day. So what did we notice about the pollutants? Did it follow a lot of these processes as it was spreading? Yes. So these are processes that we can talk about in relation to pollutants and to groundwater, right? Good? Okay, you guys. As you guys leave, I want you guys to put your responses right up here, except for this group. I know I talked to you before separately. And I will give you guys feedback on your recommendations, okay? Make sure that the 4 of you put yours together and the observations from the scribe go on a